Hi friends, today we learn fathers of various fields which is useful for GK in all competitive exams. Name of the field, name of the person. Father of hydrogen bomb, Edward Teller. Father of email, Ray Tomlinson. Father of missile program, APJ Abdul Kalam. Father of economics, Adam Smith. Father of modern computer, Alan Turing. Father of relativity, Albert Einstein. Father of DNA fingerprinting, Alex John Jeffrey. Father of telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Father of comic books, Anand Pai. Father of anatomy, Andreas Vesalius. Father of modern chemistry, Lavoisier. Father of microbiology or microscopy, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Father of comedy, Aristophanes. Father of biology, zoology, embryology, political science, Aristotle. Father of sociology, Auguste Comte. Father of electricity, Benjamin Franklin. Father of paleobotany, Birbal Sahani. Father of modern biochemistry, Carl Alexander Newberg. Father of classification or taxonomy, Carl Linnaeus. Father of computer, Charles Babbage. Father of evolution, Charles Darwin. Father of physiology, Claude Bernard. Father of cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke. Father of modern cinema, David Wark Griffith.